In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add approved status on ClickUp. So if you want to modify your status for tasks, you can go ahead and create your own according to your liking. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To add approved status, first go ahead to the workspace you would like to add this status. And for my case, I want to add this to team space workspace. Go ahead and click on this space settings and then choose this option called task statuses. So if you click on it, it will give you this current status that were added by default. You can go ahead and edit them or add yours. For my case, I'd like to go ahead and add another status. Currently, you can see we only have to do in progress and complete. However, I'd like to go ahead and add approved status. To do that, head over to this done and click on add status. And now you can choose any color that you wish. So I'd like to leave it this color and then give it a name. And for this, I want to give it this name, approved. Once you're done, go ahead and add that status. Now with this set on this workspace, I'll be able to choose any of the status above, either to be to do, in progress, or complete. So I'll write approved. And once you're done, go ahead and click on save. Now you can see approved status has been added. Now once you have added, you need to go ahead and apply this change across projects and tasks in your workspace. Go ahead and click on apply changes and now save. And this will be saved and it has been added. Now if you go under any task, you should be able to get this new feature or this new option of status as approved. And we can see, for instance, if I go to this task 2 and go to status here, now if you click on it, you can see we have an extra status here called approved, and I can now choose it and it will be assigned, as you can see here. So that's how you can add approved status on your tasks or on your workspace in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.